Good morning, good morning. Here we are up in the lovely Catskills at 10 after 5 in the morning, and I'm getting ready to go climb Westkill Mountain. This mountain is actually, to get up there, you have to take a portion of the Devil's Path to get up there. From what I've been reading, this is going to be kind of a brutal morning. We will go ahead and get started. I gotta get my lamp out as well. Oh God. Oh. Explain what happened when I got here. So I pull up in the lot, I'm right here, and there's a kid sitting there in his Jeep. And as soon as I pulled in, he like pulled out his headlamp and he started flashing his light right at my Jeep. I had no idea what was going on. He kept trying to blind me with it. All right, here we go. Continuing on with my story. So I'm sitting there and the kid is trying to blind me with his headlamp. So I had no idea what he was doing. And then I turned my headlights off and it just kind of sat there for a minute, and I let my GPS sync because that was the one that had the waypoint for the third parking lot. Wanted to make sure I was in the right place. And I could hear him swearing over there, saying, like, I don't know if he was talking to himself or what the deal was. And I don't know. I guess he just got pissed off enough that he started his Jeep and he tore out of there. We're stopping here on my way back. Alright, what do we got? Alright. So, I think I'm staying on blue. We shall see. Let's take a look. Yeah, there we go. 2.23 up to the summit. I figure before I go any further, really start sweating, I'll tell you what I'm doing here. I am in the Hunter Westkill Wilderness area of the Catskills, and I am getting ready to climb Westkill Mountain, which is a 3,891 foot mountain, 6th highest in all the Catskills. Oh, this is nice. So the falls, I guess these are the falls right here, all down there. Like I said, I'm gonna stop here on my way back once the sun is up. And hopefully there's some better light back here. So yeah, that's it. Up in the Catskills today. Decided to come up here early. It's Monday. June 28th. I am off from work all week, so I figured I'd get some good hiking in. Where am I going? Oops. I like totally walked right off the trail already. It's great. Yeah, I figured I'd try to get some good hikes in this week. 2 days ago, I went and did my warm-up hike for this. So I went to Breakneck Ridge, and I attempted to do the traverse all the way out to Mount Beacon, the fire tower, and fire tower was socked in. It was a good time. I think I did just shy 7 miles. Yeah, I just had to take a Just had to take a little 5-minute break there, eat something. As soon as I got up here on this little flat spot, instantly the air feels like it got like 3 degrees, 4 degrees cooler. The smell, oh, such a gorgeous smell right now. Which means I gotta be getting pretty close to 3,500 feet. All right. Now look at that. Awesome. Cannot camp in here, naturally. There's no way that's 150 feet. Oh. 3,891 feet of pure hiking hell. Oh. All right. One last look. Buck Ridge Lookout. And we are now heading back down. Devil's Path. Yep. I see where it gets its name. Not a trail for people that are not conditioned for this kind of thing. Let me tell you. And my knees, I should say, both of them, they've been doing pretty good, I must say. Haven't had any problems so far this year. I know I had a little bit of a scare there at the end of last year in October, and I was in Lake George. Thankfully that passed quick. I forgot who it was. It was one of you guys that suggested I come do this mountain. I'll have to dig through the comments and see who it was. Thank you. This was a great recommendation, let me tell you. This is everything I thought it would be, and a ton more. I'm gonna try not to knock him off as I go through. Oh, looking out for you, buddy. Looking out for you. So cool. Alright, there we go. We are back at the bridge. Good stuff, man, good stuff. Oh, I want to go jump in there. There we go. With that, this trip is officially over. That is it, peeps. We are done. Back at Judy. Judy.
Misty blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose.